So today we have an early look at the Nike Tiempo Legend 10 Luxe. This was kindly sent to me by ProDirect to give you an early look. I've already revealed it on my TikTok earlier this week. They release on Monday, 27th of January. This is your first look. So here is the box. They're absolutely incredible, I can tell you that. So they come in this Tiempo box which says Tiempo Legend established in 1984. Let's open them up. So the very special thing about this is check out the boot bag. So you get your own little personal boot bag, which is pretty much what the players get, which is crazy. So look, it's pretty much like a wash bag, but you get your boots inside. You have the Nike logo on the side, as you can see there. And then on this side, it's the same as on the box. Tiempo Legend established in 1984. So let's open it up. So this is just so satisfying. Listen to this. Oh, so good. And then here are the boots, and when I tell you they look good, they look good. So Musiala is going to be one of the main players wearing these boots, and it's just so much class in this pair. So these were crafted in Montebelluna, hopefully I'm saying that correctly. However, they are a synthetic upper, so this is not a leather upper. However, it is incredibly soft, as you can see there. I've seen a lot of comments on mine complaining that it's not leather. And I do understand this, but Nike said they're not going to do leather boots anymore, and this just is no exception. So this is a synthetic upper. It is incredibly soft and really, really good, but I do understand the comparison with people wanting a leather Tiempo. On the outside of the boot, you have a Ferrari red swoosh, which is really nice. Then you obviously, because they were made in Montebelluna, you have the Italian flag there. Spinning it around to the back, you see it says Tiempo Legend on the back heel as well. And you do have a full kind of sock upper as well, which is incredibly comfy. This boot is very good for wide feet, as you can probably see there. Tiempos are always very good for wide feet. It's a synthetic upper, however, it is pretty forgiving, I have to say, so it molds very nicely around your feet. On the inside, you have a miniature swoosh once again, and probably the show factor of this boot is the sole plate. Check out that sole plate. It is incredible. I really do like what they've done here. There is small details that are fantastic on this boot as well. So I'll take out the inner shoe paper as well. And we'll take a look at the insole because you'll see the little details that they've added. So I'll take out the insole and then you can see it says Montebelluna on the insole there. So they just kind of thought of absolutely everything. So like I said on my TikTok, there are only 5,000 pairs of these made at the Montebelluna factory and 5,000 pairs worldwide, and they're only released from Nike and ProDirect. And to get them through ProDirect, you have to be a connected member. So go onto your ProDirect account, connect your Nike account, and you can have a chance to get these on Monday. So like I said, they release on Monday 27th in the morning, and you're not going to want to miss this because these are amazing. Check out that sole plate. Unfortunately, they don't come in SG. This is the only sole plate they come in because it's just such a limited pair. But even if you don't like the boots, check out this. This is worth it in my opinion. This is class. I really do like this. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of this pair? I absolutely love it. But is the synthetic upper a deal breaker for you? Let me know down below in the comments. The color, the sole plate. Yeah, I don't really need to say too much about that because it's absolutely fantastic. I really do like that. Look how it shines in the light. But let me know down below if you'll be going for these on Monday. And thank you so much, ProDirect, for sending me them out early. I've had them for a little while now. They're incredible and I cannot wait to try them out. But yeah, these are the Nike Tiempo Legend 10 Luxe. They're amazing.